Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You stop the activity now and give the eye immediate relief. First, remove contact lenses so no foreign body stays against the cornea. Wash your hands thoroughly to avoid infection. Next, rinse the eye with sterile saline or clean water for about 15 to 30 seconds to flush out debris. Once done, blink frequently and close the eye for short rests. This restores tear distribution and reduces sharp pain while you prepare the next steps. You apply preservative-free artificial tears to rehydrate the surface. Put 1 to 2 drops in the affected eye and blink to spread them evenly. Then place a clean cold compress over closed eyelids for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce swelling and ease pain. Make sure not to rub the eye because rubbing can worsen irritation and cause abrasions. If itching is the main complaint, consider single-dose antihistamine drops as directed. Otherwise, you finish by monitoring symptoms over the next 24 hours. Check for worsening pain, changes in vision, increasing redness, or pus-like discharge because these signs need prompt evaluation. If symptoms improve, continue artificial tears and avoid screens or contact lens wear until fully resolved. If pain is severe, vision is affected, or redness persists, seek urgent care. Bring your contact case and any eye drop bottles so the clinician can identify possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.